The Google Pixel 8a has been out for a few years, and this one is a refurbished model. When it comes down to it, there is one great thing about these devices in that it's very affordable even now. I got mine for around $250, but I've had a lot of hard troubles finding a good case for this device because of the band up here. Usually I like cute anime girls to be on my phone case, but it's very hard to find a good one that won't have their face or their head chopped off because of this band right here. So I found the best $10 case I could, and it's a plain black one, but it's from a company that is very good. It is Otterbox. I got the commuter series because I don't need super ultra high protection, but I don't want no protection at all either. I decided to go with this one because it was $9.92. It's hard to find a good case for $9.92, especially from a name brand from Otterbox. One of the bigger reasons why I got a case to begin with is the refurbished phone has a big gash right here, so it looks nasty. By having this, I'm at least going to cover up the imperfections. This device also has imperfections right here, so if I can cover that up, that's going to be good. And from the looks of it, I can cover it up. Very basic and simple packaging. You really don't need that much whenever it comes to these sort of devices. I was going to keep the box nice looking, but I don't think I need to. For the Otterbox, here is certified by Otterbox LLC. Cool. Was that it? I guess so. The case does look very interesting, and I guess it's a two-part case. You have the gel soft padding for a lot of the absorption, and then you have the outside that is very hard plastic, and it seems to be good. Let's put this phone in the case and see how it looks. It's a black phone going into a black case, so I mean, it's not going to be the most appealing thing in the world, but I mean, hey, it looks like it's going to cover it up, so it really doesn't matter what the phone back color is. Anyways, I think when it comes to a lot of Pixel devices that are in the A series, you can only get it in black, right? So why am I having a lot of difficulties right now? It does feel a lot more sturdy, and it does feel like it can take a beating. Maybe I'll try throwing this on the ground after I get like a screen protector, just to see how good this case and the screen protector is when it comes to protecting the device. It still amazes me that you can find such a good case, even though it's pretty basic and minimal when it comes to the protection, that is a name brand case as well, for under $10. I got it on Amazon on sale, so maybe it's not going to be the best deal when it's not on sale, but if you can get it for $10 on sale, can you be really mad at getting such a good case that is a name brand case for that cheap or very inexpensive, or however you want to say it? I don't know why CHEAP is very hard for me to pronounce, probably because of my speech impediment, but still, I hope you have a great and blessed day. Remember to like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot more than you can think. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please do me a favor and leave it in the comment section down below.